moving on to a fun game, and I would like to call it Blast from the Past.
Okay.
And Sharmila ji, the game is really simple. We are going to show you a couple of pictures on that screen,
Okay.
and all of you, audience over there, you will be seeing those pictures over here. And you have to recognize them and tell us the stories behind those pictures.
If I can, yeah.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you all ready for it? Yeah? Can I feel some energy? Yeah? All right, all right. So, can I get the first picture? Ooh.
So what I have to say, where
That's
and
really
what?
interesting. I actually love that pose. Were you.
Kashmir Ki Kali, yes.
Okay, tell
And
us
it
more
was
about it.
in Chopin.
Oh.
Yes,
all
it was in
right.
Chopin.
Okay, and what was happening over there? Do you remember?
It was Shamiji wearing an Pashtu outfit,
Yeah.
looking rather glamorous and dancing away. And I was trying to keep up with him. And Kashmir Ki Kali had 10 songs?
Is
10
it?
songs. 10 songs.
10 songs.
or 8 definitely.
All right.
And one better than the other. Isharo Isharo Mein and Diwana Hua Badal. Terrific songs. So this was one, and so
But
I
you said
was
you were trying
quite
to-
nervous about dancing. So I had a few rehearsals.
Right.
I was, of course, Shamiji was 200 times better than I, but I was trying to keep up with him.
Yeah, you there with all your grace and Shamiji with all his energy.
Yeah, but it's a lovely photograph.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Was it really hard to work with him? Since you said
He
that.
was a very unpredictable actor. You know, he'll do something in the rehearsal, if he did rehearsal at all, and then he would. Suppose he was to come from this side, he would come from the other side, and for a newcomer, it was slightly difficult.
This was your
but-
debut, right?
This was my first film
Yes.
in Bombay, but it was fun. I mean, he had lot of energy, and it was a brand of his own. I mean, he was completely different, and he was doing those things then in '64, what Shah Rukh etc. were doing, or much later. You know, all
Like
these
what?
breaking into dancing
Yes.
or breaking into sort of spontaneous
Okay.
madness.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you think there's any actor in today's generation who would probably pass off as Shami Kapoor?
I think today's actors are so versatile; they can pass off as, wonderful actor. I mean, wonderful, emotionally invested actors, and doing other stuff also. I think you have to do everything. I think they're all very good. But Shamiji is unique, I would say, absolutely unique. I think he's like they've done on social media. I saw Alia Bhatt and Ranveer doing something. Alia was probably better, or at least like me, but Ranveer was nowhere near Shami Kapoor. Absolutely not.
Ouch. Ranveer, are you listening?
Yeah.
All right. Can we move to the next picture? Is that Chupke Chupke?
That's Amitabh Bachchan, isn't it?
Yes.
That's not Chupke Chupke. No.
Do you remember?
Probably a very unforgettable film.
Besharam.
Yeah. Devin Verma is there. So Devin Verma directed that film. Everybody goes through that stage where they feel that everybody can be a director. Devin was a very, very good friend of mine. I just
Okay.
got along with him so well. And we had a lot of fun shooting this film. And
What
I
is
was
he telling
expecting
you? I
Sabha.
wonder, you were listening to him intently.
Yes, he was giving us some gyan, I'm sure.
Right. How was it working with Amitabh Bachchan, the big B?
Wonderful, wonderful. He was, after Shashi Kapoor, he was the only actor who came on time. I mean, nobody else came on time. So, yes. And there was a film called Dostana, where there was Zeenat Aman, Shatrughan Sinha, and Mr. Bachchan. So, and we used to keep those laborers' hours those days. Like 7 to 2, we were working in one film, and 2 to 10, we were working in another film. So, the money wasn't in place that it is now. It was not such an organized, like now they work in one film, then there is a break, then they go on to another film. So if I was playing a glamorous role with long nails, and then I was playing somebody who shouldn't have those nails. So from 7 to 2, 2 to 10, I couldn't do very much. So there was a lot of compromise. So anyway, in Dostana, and Shatrughan Sinha was known for being late. At his own wedding, he was late. So, and when he was a parliamentarian, he was late. He's just biologically not capable of being on time. So that 7 to 2 shift, 2 o'clock, Mr. Bachchan's car would go out and Shatrughan's car will enter. So you can imagine Raj Khosla lost all his hair in making of Dostana. And you won't find 3 of them in one frame. Poor Zeenat, of course, was there from whatever time to whatever time, adjusting to these two. So everybody's got separate shots. There's a back to camera with a what do you call it, duplicate, and shot like that, the film.
Wow.
Poor Rajji, yes.
That is
so
something
Shatrughan used to do
excruciating.
that for fun. I don't know. He was not really a tormentor. He was a wonderful person.
Oh,
But
all right.
he didn't have the genes. He couldn't be on time. It was a problem.
All right. Next picture, please.
Oh yes, this was Amar Prem,
Yeah.
and the army had a screening for us, and I think it was basically to cheer up the army because the next day was blackout,
Yes.
and we went to war with Pakistan. And I remember Amjad was playing, and we went to hear him, and hardly anybody was there. It was such fun because he just played for us, so to speak. So it was in Delhi, and they gave us lovely little trophies. Army. It was a wonderful screening by the army.
That's amazing. That's Monik Shaw next to you. Yeah. Next picture, please.
With Mohan.
Yes.
Why am I being so nice to him?
I wonder because I thought this was your first film with him, but I guess
No.
there's also.
I've done Mississippi Masala with him. That
Okay.
was in 1988.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But here you guys are greeting each other, being
I
really
can't,
sweet.
because he's such a close friend. So it was probably a posed picture. I really don't know. Where was it? Oh, I think when he got this award. Yes, the
Okay.
Pune's highest award.
Okay.
So that's why he's dressed up and is wearing that. Yes. So
Headgear.
Anupam Kher and I was there as a special, to congratulate him, and he spoke very well. And he's, it's their reward, and they do it very well. Everybody comes, and whoever's received it before, and all the who's who of Pune turns up. And of course, Mohan is so respected. And
Absolutely. Do you
Loved.
remember your first meeting with him?
I think when he was doing Sadgati with Shotajit Rai,
Shotajit Rai, yeah.
I think around that time when he was shooting, I met him. I can't really remember, but I've known him for years and years and years and years. And he's a
Okay.
dear, dear friend.
Awesome. Next picture.
I was wondering why am I being so polite?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Devi.
Yeah.
And,
One of my favorite films.
Yes, and this was a very difficult scene at the end when she loses her mind. And she's just a child, really. And Shaumitra's expression is so, so beautiful. And so, his internal sorrow at the tragedy.
Yeah.
Like she is completely unknowing, and he has understood and followed her untangling, so to speak. Yeah, it's a beautiful film, and I think probably my best performance. But I worked in a Bengali film. I would consider that as my best performance, which is going to release next year
Okay.
with Rituparna Sengupta.
Okay.
That's also about aging and about onset of dementia. So that the ease of your language and speaking Bengali, that has
Right.
come out very well. I'm very very proud and very happy about that.
Okay.
But this is such a, I mean, look, Shaumitra's face is looking.
Absolutely.
It's-
And you were incredible in that role. And
Yeah,
correct me if
I
I'm
was
wrong,
just
but
14. Yes.
yeah, Devi happened immediately after Opu
Opu
Shanshan,
Shanshan.
right?
Yes.
So, Shotijit Ray, what kind of impact did he have on you as an actor, as a woman that you are? Because he really,
He started the Film Society movement in Kolkata.
yeah,
So that was he, Chidananda Das Gupta, they all started together. So we had the opportunity of seeing so many world cinema, of course, and the Trial of Joan of Arc, all these silent films and beautiful films. So it was quite vibrant, the discussions and the knowledge of films. So he really taught me how to look at cinema, what is the medium of cinema, because he could have done many things. He was so gifted. He could write, he could paint, he could write music, he could play the piano. He could have done many things because he was so gifted. Illustrator he was in working for Clarion. But he felt that not much work has been done on cinema, and he wanted to leave his impact in that world, in that medium. So that's why he chose films. So his discussions, and he was not a garrulous person. He didn't speak too much, and the age difference was so much. Like I really was a little tongue-tied in front of him, and like Soumitra was more, would ask him questions. I didn't really ask him questions, but even by osmosis, just being around him, and he had a wonderful sense of humor. He knew so much. So, and he believed in his work. He didn't put commerce before his art,
right.
And if he had money, he would buy music or books. So he loved films, and all he wanted was to make films.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing that. Next picture, please. Oh,
Where is this, at Polo?
do you remember what was happening over there?
I don't know, I can't see. What is it? What is
Here,
that
can
thing?
you-
No,
here.
I mean, I'm not.
You can also turn around and take a look.
Who's here? That's Shashi.
Yes.
During work? Huh?
This
don't know.
is the picture from our archives.
Huh.
Do you remember where is it from?
That's what I'm trying to think. There's a tent. Was it with Sunil Dutt or something, raising funds?
yes,
Because he would, this Ajanta Arts.
Yes.
And suddenly we didn't even have telephone those days. I'd get a message that Datsab wants you for a meeting, and we would all go because he was so well respected. Then he'll say that we are raising money for that flood or that whatever, some natural calamity, and Prime Minister's Fund and Chief Minister's Fund. And so we'd all go and help. So there was so much togetherness in the industry.
Yeah.
Rajji, Yusuf Saab, Dilip Kumar, and that Saab. Whatever they asked, we did. For the cine workers' welfare, raising funds for them, or all these do-gooding works, and we just did that. I mean,
Absolutely.
the
But you
fraternity,
really had-
the industry was together, and we had these leaders, and we listened to them. Now, of
Alright.
course, everybody is on their own.
All right. Next picture, please.
This was at my wedding, and Dharamveera was.
You look demure.
Dharamveera was.
And
our
how did you guys
governor.
meet is something I think
No,
everyone
that's a
wants.
story for my book. I'm not going to share everything for Indian Express.
But tell me something, really, looking at this picture and the things that we know about you and Tiger Sir, nowadays people actually date. They would swipe right, left. There are different relationship status, situationship, and breadcrumbing, etc., etc., etc. How did it work out with you guys?
Same.
Same.
Yeah. Exactly.
You were in a
that.
situationship. Did he ever ghost you? Were you
All these
ghosted?
new words I'm learning. Skibidi apparently is the new word. But the moment you say that, the young people immediately change. The moment you say Riz, like we start using Riz, then they move on to something else. So
Was there a phase when he stopped talking to you and you were restless, or maybe perhaps you sort of did the same, or
I'm sure we had some. I can't remember. Memory being retentive, only you remember the good things and not the bad things. But yeah. But I don't think we had huge rows or anything. No.
yeah.
It was long distance anyway. There was so much traveling. He was playing cricket. I was working. So we didn't want to waste time, arguing with each other. So, but otherwise it's the same. You meet, you fall in love, and spend time with each other, and live with each other, and then
Be patient. Try to spend a lot of time with
I
each
don't
other.
think you want to be patient.
Yeah.
You don't want to do anything, you just live the moment, and it turns out whatever it is.
Yeah.
All those patience and all that comes much later. That time you're just living, and things either work out or they won't work out. I mean, I don't know. But
But the
we
moment-
were always away, because those days the cricket matches used to take so long. And of course, they didn't play as often as they do now. But if you went to Australia, you went away forever, because you went to Australia, played 5 matches, then you went to New Zealand and you played. Then coming back, you stopped in Singapore, and then you came back finally. And then there was no mobile. The telephone calls used to go via London.
Okay.
If you booked a lightning call, it wasn't lightning. It would come after 2 hours in middle of the night. And if you didn't have a phone, so it was difficult keeping in touch. A telegram would be the only thing. Letters took forever. Even now they take forever. So the meeting was, so we found time for each other.
That's great. How did you guys?
And I'm falling
kept
asleep.
going?
I'm asking so much. My jaw is hurting. Yeah. Okay, now
Okay,
last
we'll
week.
we'll move to the
Okay,
next
one
picture,
more picture,
please.
but I'm enjoying
Yeah.
the pictures.
Oh yes, we'll have another picture.
Just one.
Okay.
Oh, this is so nice. This has been doing the rounds, no? Somebody sent me this.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Tell me
This
about.
was in Delhi.
Yeah.
This was in Delhi. I think in Dupleix Road. I can't recognize when we lived there. My mother-in-law lived there for a while, and then we came to stay with her because when she started keeping very indifferent health. And Saif was in Senar. The girls went to the British school here because I wanted them to go to Parthasarathi school. But they didn't have Hindi. Till class 6 they had Hindi, and they were saying cupboard mein kapra keep karo. So they couldn't have managed. So British school was the only other option because modern school had 35 children. And it was a very big school. So British school had 16 children in a class, and so I opted for that.
All right. All right.
Okay, I'm
So-
falling very tired now.
All right. So we'll put a stop to that